Open your picture in Snapseed application. Click on pencil icon. Select the brush icon. By selecting exposure, brush over the dark area. Select Done. Again, click on pencil icon. Select double exposure. Click on ADD photo. Select ASKY background. I will provide this background link in the description. Adjust the background. And make the blending mode to subtract. Select Done. Go to View Edit. Select double exposure layer and select Stacks brush. Make double exposure 100 and paint over the white area. You can change the opacity of the background. Now go to Lens Blur and follow these steps. Open your picture in Adobe Lightroom. Copy the preset settings. Now paste the presets on picture, and boom, done. I will provide the presets link in description.